Understanding, you can't be serious, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, you can't be serious. This expression is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. At its core, you can't be serious is a phrase used to express disbelief, shock, or astonishment. It's what you say when you think someone is joking, exaggerating, or saying something that seems unbelievable or ridiculous to you. The key here is the tone of voice. It can range from amused disbelief to serious concern, depending on the context. For example, if a friend tells you they're going to quit their job to become a circus performer, you might respond with, "You can't be serious," because the idea surprises you or seems unrealistic. This phrase is versatile, but it's important to know when it's appropriate to use it. Here are a few situations. 1. Expressing surprise or disbelief, when someone shares unexpected news or a surprising fact. 2. Questioning the seriousness of a statement, if you think someone is joking or not being genuine. 3. Challenging a questionable idea, when you hear a plan or suggestion that seems impractical or foolish. Remember, while "you can't be serious" can be used in light-hearted situations, it can also convey frustration or disapproval. Always consider your relationship with the other person and the context of the conversation. Let's look at some examples to see how "you can't be serious" can be used in everyday conversations. Friend A, "I'm thinking of buying that old mansion on the hill and fixing it up." Friend B, "You can't be serious. That place is a wreck." Or, parent, "I've decided to start my own business." Teenager, "You can't be serious, right? What about your job?" These examples show the phrase in action, illustrating how it can convey a range of emotions from skepticism to concern, depending on the situation. And there you have it, folks. "You can't be serious" is a powerful phrase that can add depth to your conversations in English. It's all about the context and your delivery. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how and when to use this expression. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try incorporating it into your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.